Hello guys, welcome to another video. We are in Costa Rica. Let's see where the meters is. Hello.
My best time in my life is you.
The sunset was amazing today. So this is the we are right here in the place that we're staying. We came yesterday. Huh? We are in the mini bar now. So this is how it looks like. Still there are a few stuff that they're fixing around, but we're literally next to the sea. So our car is here, the sea is there, we stay here, the sunset is there. It's amazing, and the whole night we had the sounds of the waves and the wind. It was amazing. So this is the path I need to take to go to our room. So this is the road behind me. Actually the road is very bad, so you have to walk to go up, but this is not very tiring at all. And here there are the stairs, so we need to go on this path to go up and see it's amazing. You should watch this. So this is my view. And this is the other path. So I'm gonna go upstairs in this path. And yeah, this is our place. So this is our entrance. And here we have this is the towel. So you can see the sunset even from here, but we went downstairs. And so if we go on this side, there's a little sofa here. So if you want to chill, you can chill here. So this is from the inside our kitchen. So let's take you inside. We have a nice table here, but let's go inside. Okay, so this is the place we're staying. Oh, we need lights. Let me find the lights. Okay, I found one, but I don't like this one. So there is another light. I need to look for it. Got it. Okay, so this is the door we enter, and it's actually pretty small. We have the bed here. It's a little sofa with our stuff, and here's the kitchen and the view from the outside. The front here is the little sofa. Yes, actually there is a small toilet right here. So it's pretty small, but it's super cute. You have the window here, and if you want, you can just have a shower with the window open, and you have that view. It's pretty nice. The water is very hot in the shower here, so we're very excited to find this place. It was actually about $80 and $80. Also, you see this little stairs here, so we can go upstairs. Yeah, you can go upstairs, and there is a little space here. So which you can just chill here, and you have the window. You have that view. Amazing. It looks like you're in the forest, but you are in the forest actually. And if you want, you can open the roof. So it's heavy for me now. Yeah, but this the roof, this one opens, so you can have it open, but now we have it closed. And this is another mattress that we could sleep here or down there. So it's pretty nice because you can sit wherever you want. It's just cool. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and we'll keep up for the next video.